What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome to today's Hot Wheels tournament. Today we've got a loop style head-to-head tournament between Team Mario and Team Fast and Furious. Let me know in the comments down below which team are you picking to win this tournament. For race number 1, we've got Yoshi versus the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600. And here they are, all set, race number 1. On your mark, get set, go! And the Fast and Furious Ford Escort takes the win in race number 1. Race number 2, we've got Luigi versus the Nissan Skyline GTR R34. And they are all set. On your mark, get set, go! And Luigi takes the win in race number 2. We've got Bowser versus the Ice Charger. These tough machines are all set. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And Bowser gets caught in the loop and crashes. And it's the Ice Charger that takes the win in race number 3 for the Fast and Furious team. We've got Mario versus the Lamborghini Murcielago. These two fast machines are all set. On your mark, get set, go! Mario crashes at the finish line but still manages to catch the light and take the win. We've got Princess Peach versus the Honda S2000. And the pink cars are all ready. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And Princess Peach takes the win for Team Mario. For race number 6, we've got Toad versus the Dodge Charger. Here they are. On your mark, get set, go! What a race! Toad crashes at the loops and the Charger comes across the line and celebrates its win with a flip. We're all tied up. We've got 3 Mario cars and 3 Fast and Furious cars. Let's see the deciding race on who takes the win and the championship. And our final race is Donkey Kong versus the Toyota Supra. And here they are on the track, our deciding race. Who's gonna be the champion? Is it gonna be Team Mario or Team Fast and Furious? On your mark, get set, go! And it's Donkey Kong that takes the win to secure the championship for Team Mario. In the comments down below, let me know which was your favorite car and team that raced today.